Hello friends, today we are going to solve lesson number 8 standard 5th multiples and factors workbook question and answer solving. So let's start. Assignment 1, answer the following. First and second solve. Third one, is 10 a factor of 48? Answer, 48 divided by 10, 10 fours are 40. 48 minus 40, answer 8. So 10 does not divide 48 exactly. So 10 is not a factor of 48. Answer, no. Fourth one, is a 9 a factor of 72? So 72 divided by 9. 9 8s are 72. 72 minus 72, answer 0. So 9 divides 72 exactly. So 9 is a factor of 72. Answer is yes. Fifth one, is a 8 a factor of 34? So 34 divided by 8, answer 8 fours are 32. 34 divided by 32, answer is 2. So 8 does not divide 34 exactly. So 8 is not a factor of 34. Then sixth one, is 9 a factor of 81? So 81 divided by 9, 9 nines are 81. So 81 minus 81, answer is 0. So 9 divides 81 exactly. 9 is a factor of 81. Answer is a yes. Then next question, assignment 2, find all the factors of the following number. So here first one, 30. Solution, 1 into 30 is equal to 30. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 2 into 15 is equal to 30. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Then factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Second one, 16. Solution, 1 into 16 is equal to 16. 2 into 8 it is equal to 16. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Then factor of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. The next one, third one, 28. Solution, 1 into 28 is equal to 28. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 14 into 2 is equal to 28. Answer, factors of 28, 1, 4, 2, 7, 14 and 21. Then fourth one, 22. Solution, 1 into 22 and 11 into 2, 22. Then factors of 22, 1, 2, 11 and 22. Now next, fifth one, 44. 1 into 44 is equal to 44. 2 into 22 is equal to 44. 11 into 4 is equal to 44. Then factors of 44, 1, 2, 11, 4, 22 and 44. Now sixth one, 36. 1 into 36 is equal to 36. 2 into 18 is equal to 36. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Then factor of 36, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 18 and 36. Now seventh one, 1 into 50 is equal to 50. 25 into 2 is equal to 50. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Then answer, factors of 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Now eighth one, 15. Solution, 3 into 5 is equal to 15 and 15 into 1 is equal to 15. Then factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now assignment 3, question 1. Write two numbers which are multiples of 2 as well as 5. 2 and 5 से multiple से numbers हमको लिखना है 10, 20 and 30. 2 से भी multiple है and 5 से भी. Then write two numbers which are multiples of 3 as well as 4. So number 12, 24 and 36. Third one, write 5 numbers between 101 and 200 which are multiples of 10. So 110, 120, 130, 140 and 150. Now second question, Sheila has 580 laddus. Can she make packets of 5 laddus and have nothing left over? Write with the reason. So here answer with the reason. Yes, Sheila can make 116 packet of 5 laddus because 580 is divides 5 exactly. So here 580 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So 8. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Then 0, 30 and 5 6 are 30. So 30 minus 30 answer is 0. So 580 is divided by 5 exactly. Now next, third one. Varun has 506 sheets of paper. How many more sheets does he require to make notepads of 10 sheets each? Answer. Varun require 4 more sheets to make notepads of 10 sheets each. Answer. 506 divided by 10. 10 5s are 50 or 10 50s are 500. So 506 minus 500 answer is a 6. So Varun require 4 more sheets to make notepad of 10 sheet each. Next, assignment 4. Write the correct numbers in the blanks. Out of the numbers 4855, 25,983, 3050, 53,215, 10,020, 34,695, 3,65,081, 89,850, 86,904, 27,288, 89,806. So first one, the numbers divisible by 2 are 3,050, 10,020, 89,850, 86,904, 27,288, 89,806. Second one, the numbers divisible by 5 are 4,855, 3,050, 53,215, 10,020, 89,850. Third one, the numbers divisible by 10 are 3,050, 10,020, 89,850. Fourth one, the numbers divisible both by 2 and 5 are 10,020, 89,850. Fifth one, the numbers divisible by 5 but not by 10 are 4,855, 53,250, 34,695. Sixth one, the numbers not divisible by any of the three numbers 2, 5 or 10 are 25,983, 3,65,081. Assignment 5. Write P for prime number and C for composite number. So 31 is a P prime number, 7 prime number, 40 composite number, 2 prime number, 23 prime number, 36 composite number, 50 composite number, 41 prime number, 45 composite number, 28 composite number, 17 prime number, 25 composite number, 3 prime number, 5 prime number, 21 composite number, 18 composite number, 44 composite number, 6 composite number, 11 prime number and 26 composite number. Now second, by interchanging the digits of the prime number 13, we get the number 31, which is also a prime number. Write 3 more such pairs of prime numbers. So 17 and 71, 37 and 73, 79 and 97. Now assignment 6. Tick correct the pairs of co-prime numbers and cross the other pairs. So first one, 16 and 24, it's a other pair, it's not a co-prime number. So second, 20 and 9, it's a co-prime number. Third one, 17 and 21, it's a co-prime number or co-prime pairs. Fourth one, 11 and 31, it's a co-prime numbers. Fifth, 33 and 50, it's a co-prime number. Sixth one, 30 and 40, it's a other pair. Then seventh one, 17 and 51, it's a pairs of co-prime numbers. Then eighth one, 81 and 91, it's the pair of co-prime number. Ninth one, 44 and 55, it's not a co-prime number. Assignment 7. Answer the following. Write the prime numbers from 2 to 10. So 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19, then 21 to 30, 23, 29, then 31 to 40, 31 and 37, then 41 to 50, 41, 43, 47, then 51 to 60, 53 and 59, then 61 to 70, 61 and 67, then 71 to 80, 71, 73, 79, then 81 to 90, 83 and 89, then 91 to 100, 97. Okay, so what is the total number of prime numbers from 2 to 100? So how many numbers are total? 25. Okay. Second one, in the 3 consecutive numbers 3, 4, 5, the first number 3 and the third number 5 are prime numbers. Write 7 more such groups of 3 numbers from 1 to 100. So first group is 5, 7, 9. Second, 7, 11, 13. Then 11, 13, 17. Then 13, 17, 19. Then 41, 43, 47. Then 67, 71 and 73. Then next formative evaluation. Answer the following. Mahesh has 14 balloons. In how many different ways can he make group of 14 balloons so that he can give equal numbers of balloons to all the children? So here the group, one group of 14 balloons or 14 groups of one balloon, then two group of 7 balloons, then 7 group of 2 balloons. Second, which is the smallest number that should be added to 1171 so that the sum will be the divisible by 2. So answer is 1. Now third one, which is the smallest number that should be subtracted from 8717 so that the difference will be divisible by 5. The answer is subtracted from 8017 is a 2. Then next, fourth one, write all the numbers from 111 to 120 which are divisible by 2. So 112, 114, 116, 118 and 120. Then fifth one, write all the numbers from 119 to 150 which are divisible by 10. Answer 120, 130, 140 and 150. Sixth one, which is the smallest prime number? So 2 is the smallest prime number. Seventh one, is a 1 a prime number? Give reason for your answer. Answer, 1 is not a prime number. Now next, 8th one, find the product of any two prime numbers. Is it a prime number? 1 and 3. The product will always be odd number. Ninth one, if the product of two prime numbers is an even number, find one of the two numbers, justify your answer. Answer 2 will be the number as 2 is only even prime number. Second, select the appropriate number from each bracket and write in the box. First one, 9 is a multiple of box 4, 2, 9. So answer is 9. Second one, 7 is a multiple of 5, 1, 8. Then answer is 1. Third one, 18 is a multiple of 15, 7 and 3. Answer is a 3. Fourth one, 24 is a multiple of 12, 13 and 5. Answer is a 12. Fifth one, 20 is multiple of 4, 6, 8. Answer is a 4. Now third one, take the correct measure that can be used to measure out 2.5 liters of milk. Answer is 500 millimeasure take and 1000 millimeasure take.